Apple could delay the iPhone 18 launch. It could not even hit 2026. Apple is apparently poised to postpone the iPhone 18 from its traditional September introduction. Apple could make a major shift to its yearly iPhone launch plans if analysts and reports are to be believed. It is speculated that the iPhone 18 might not launch in September, as is typical, and could even be pushed to an early 2027 launch instead. However, before you start to fear that the Cupertino tech behemoth is losing its marbles, it's only the regular model that's supposedly affected. The iPhone 18 Pro versions are still on pace for their typical release timeline, as is the iPhone Air 2, and they could be joined by the long-awaited iPhone Fold. It's just the base iPhone 18 that might not meet the standard plans. Indeed, it's rumored that it might be unveiled alongside an iPhone 18e the following spring. This has been noted a few times recently, but has been reaffirmed by analytics firm IDC in its latest analysis on the international smartphone industry. While the near-term projection for smartphones has risen, 2026 growth has been revised downward from 1.2% growth to a 0.9% decline due to a combination of component shortages and product cycle modifications. Apple's strategic shift of its next base iPhone model from autumn 2026 to early 2027 is anticipated to pull down iOS shipments by 4.2% next year, it noted via 9 to 5 Mac. It's reported that this decision will constitute the first big adjustment for Apple's iPhone lineup introduction in 7 years, with 9 to 5 Mac adding that the last time it announced fewer phones was in 2019. The corporation only offered 3 iPhones at the time: the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. It introduced the iPhone 12 mini to the roster the following year. But what this decision would entail if true is that people looking for a cheaper iPhone in 2026 will have to pick between the present iPhone 17 or an iPhone 17e, which is anticipated early next year. 1. iPhone 17 demand is breaking records, but some troubles are ahead. The analysts at IDC have hailed the iPhone 17 series for its part in propelling Apple's record-breaking year and its impact on the overall smartphone market in a new report. The business also cautioned that certain challenges lie ahead next year, and they'll hurt both Apple and Android providers. The iPhone maker will not release a regular iPhone 18 model next year, while memory component shortages will affect smartphone costs in 2026. Global smartphone sales will climb 1.5% this year, hitting 1.25 billion units, according to IDC. That's a revised prediction from the previous 1% increase projected for the year. The report says that accelerated performance from Apple in the Christmas quarter is the key cause for the increase. iPhone shipments should climb 6.1% in 2025 compared to last year, up sharply from the 3.9% growth in the prior cycle. Put differently, Apple should ship over 247 million iPhone handsets this year, enough to give it a record year in 2025. ADC Senior Research Director Nabila Popel said the phenomenal success of its latest iPhone 17 series is the reason why Apple is witnessing such momentum. 2. The iPhone 18 lineup will impact sales. In China, Apple's largest market, massive demand for iPhone 17 has significantly accelerated Apple's performance, Popel said in a statement hailing Apple's performance. It ranked first in October and November per IDC's China monthly sales statistics with more than 20% share, leagues ahead of the competition, forcing IDC to revise Apple's Q4 prediction in China from 9% to 17% YoY. This changes a previously forecast 1% decline in China for 2025 into a positive 3% growth. That's a tremendous reversal. The success story is reproduced throughout all regions, including the US and Western Europe, which had previously slowed down. This calendar year will not only be a record period for Apple in terms of shipments, but also in value, which is predicted to top $261 billion, with 7.2% YoY growth in 2025. However, Apple won't have the same rise next year, with IDC highlighting 2 reasons: component shortages and the huge overhaul Apple is making for the iPhone 18 lineup. Apple won't debut a base iPhone next September, postponing the handset to 2027 instead. This strategic adjustment will influence iPhone sales immediately, with Apple expecting to sell 4.2% fewer iPhones next year than in 2025. Previous reports have also suggested the strategic change for the iPhone 18 series. Apple should debut only 3 phones next September: the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and iPhone Fold. That said, Apple should see a 5.4% increase in 2027, according to IDC's forecasts. 3. Expect more pricey phones next year. The overall smartphone market will fall by 0.9% next year, with IDC citing the continuous worldwide memory shortage as a main factor. The analysts suggest that low to mid-range Android phones are more likely to face price spikes owing to the component shortages. The IDC also anticipates some suppliers to alter their portfolios toward more costly models, as the greater margins help absorb part of the increasing cost associated with memory chips. While the IDC doesn't offer instances, a recent story from Korea has shown that even Samsung is struggling to acquire memory chips, with its semiconductor business choosing to sell RAM to AI firms rather than extend lengthier contracts to Samsung's mobile division. This might directly affect the price of some of the 3 Galaxy S26 versions Samsung is likely to unveil next February. Next year will be a challenging time for the industry. However, IDC still believes the market could see record ASPs. IDC Research Director Anthony Scarcella said in a statement, "The average selling price of a smartphone is anticipated to climb to $465 next year." Even though IDC projects the smartphone market to fall by 0.9% in 2026, the higher average selling price will boost the market to $578.9 billion, a record value for the industry. So, that's all we know for now. We'll be sure to keep you updated as soon as we have more information. Thanks for watching.